Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this smoky eye makeup look for you. I'm using the UrbanDecay Naked Reloaded palette and I'm taking the shade Blur on a flat shader brush and I'm patting this all over the entire lid. This Blur shade is a matte neutral colour, so it's perfect for the lid. Now taking the shade Endgame on a larger flat shader brush and I'm applying this on the outer part of the eye and then the inner part of the eye, leaving a gap in the centre. Here I'm taking that Endgame shade with a fluffy blending brush and I'm applying this into the crease and then blending out the edges. Taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner and I'm starting to create my wing. So I'm going along my lash line first and then from the corner of the eye going up towards the eyebrow, creating a straight line and then another line just above it. This will create a triangle shape and then I'm going to fill this in and then neaten up the whole line. Taking the shade Barely Baked and I'm using a pencil brush for this and I'm applying this in the inner corner of my eyes and under my brow bone. Now I'm going to take some black Kohl pencil and line my waterline and then smudge that Endgame colour into the Kohl pencil. For lashes I'm using the Ardell Mink Wispy lashes. And then to finish the whole look, I'm going to be applying some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, let me know what look you'd like to see next. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!